Hey everyone, it's Laurie, and today we're talking about one of my favorite wardrobe staples, the classic red dress. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect statement piece, this might just be it. Let's dive into the details. First things first, let's talk about the fit. This red dress has a flattering silhouette that hugs your curves in all the right places, but still feels comfortable. The material has just the right amount of stretch, so it moves with you. Whether you're heading to a dinner date or a night out, it's a dress that's easy to wear and won't leave you tugging or adjusting all night long. I love the design of this dress. It has that perfect balance of sophistication and fun. The deep red color is bold but timeless, and the cut, whether it's an A-line, bodycon or wrap, gives you a really elegant yet feminine look. The neckline is flattering without being too revealing, and the length is just right, making it versatile for different occasions. As for quality, the fabric feels luxurious but not heavy, which is ideal if you want to dress it up or down. The stitching is solid, and there's no see-through material, just a well-made dress that will last. Overall, this red dress is a total win. It's flattering, comfortable, and versatile enough to take you from a casual brunch to a more formal event. If you're looking to add a statement piece to your wardrobe that'll never go out of style, this is it. I'll link everything below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.